Jack's joyful journey. He was nimble and quick. In a meadow lush and green, where nature's wonders could be seen, young Jack, with curiosity unbound, a tall and proud candle found. The candle whispered soft and wise, "Be nimble, Jack, and quick to rise. Embrace the light and dance with glee, for divine intelligence lies within thee." With wonder, Jack began to see the spark of wisdom, wild and free. To be nimble, quick and open-minded meant new experiences. He would find it. He danced around the candle's glow, his movements graceful, sure and slow, connected to the earth and sky, nature and divine, intertwined on high. The flame grew brighter with each step, illuminating the meadow, a sacred kept. Jack knew that by embracing light, love and compassion would shine bright. Through life, Jack danced with spirit nimble, his mind quick, his heart a symbol, seeking growth and connection true with divine intelligence forever new.